Harana, yun dun ka talaga, oh my God, paglabas ng Harana, lahat, kahit yung mga friends ko dito, parang, oh my God, what the heck is that
Thank you.
song?
I think that's my number one song for me. The
Thank you,
Harana.
Oo,
thank you.
no?
It's like an anthem eh. Parang,
Oo,
love
classic
song
na
siya kahit
siya.
hindi man ako in love.
Thank
Di
you.
ba? Oo, paano, sinong inspiration mo nun, nung sinulat
No,
mo?
kasi, wait, Harana is one of our biggest hits. Pero kasi ang Harana, I can't take credit for that because ang Harana, it's a folk song talaga sa Ateneo eh. Meaning it's been passed down from batch to batch. Pero nung umabot sa amin, totally mali na yung chords, mali na yung, ay naglagay na lang kami ng sarili naming version. Tapos nung nalaman namin, yung original version pala niya, kulang pala kami na isang stanza, iba pala yung chords, iba yung pagkanta. Pero the songwriter was thankful because we were able to bring it sa mainstream. And we made a hit out of his song, parang ganon. But the people from Ateneo, they already, it's a familiar song na parang passed down siya, para siyang folk song sa Ateneo eh. Tapos pero sobrang matanda na yung original songwriter. Tapos nag-circle back, ginawa yung version namin, kinover naman na Ako Hiking. And tuwan-tuwa yung songwriter because nag full circle siya, bumalik siya ulit sa mga higher batches ng Ateneo with our version na. Parang ganon. So, it was a totally different song kung mapapakinggan niyo. Pero